Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you guys how to get this awesome birthday makeup tutorial right here. I am celebrating my 21st birthday today. It is February 21st, 2021. So yeah, I'm turning 21. Kind of funny how that works. But yeah guys, don't forget that I'm doing my $25 gift card giveaway when I get to 100 subscribers. So don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and share this video if you don't mind. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video, y'all. Hey guys. So we're just going to jump into this video today, starting with the Primero primer that we got in Boxy Charm last month or the month before. I really enjoyed this primer. It's very sticky and it just really grabs onto that shadow and doesn't let it go anywhere. Nextly, we're going to go in with that Ace Beaute Nostalgia Palette, and we're going to mainly be going in with the shades Theme Park and Water Slide, my bad, right there in the top corner. And we're just going to go in with a small pencil crease brush just to place the shade exactly where we want it before we start blending it out and everything. And you're just going to use stamping motions with very small gliding motions to apply this. You really just want to stamp the color where you want it because that's when the blending comes into place and you blend the shade out. So we're really just getting the color placed down right now. Now we'll go in and blend it with a nice fluffy brush. Just to make sure we have no harsh lines, because that'd really suck. Alright, now we're going to go in and we're going to clean up what we have here a little bit. We're taking this Avant Micellar water, and we're just going to go in with a few Q-tips. And we're just going to clean up the underneath part to give us a more cut set between the two shades once we add on the next shade. Also make sure you take your time when doing this too, because if you move too quickly or too fast, you can end up smudging some of the eyeshadow off that you don't want off, because what we're doing is we're removing that extra color so that when we add that lighter shade onto this darker shade, they don't bleed together and make a muddy look. Normally it's really okay when you have two shades blend together if that's what you're going for, but we really want a clean differentiation between the two shades. So now we're going to go in with Water Slide, like I said, and we're just going to pack that on with a small flat brush to give it the most bold look we can give it. These shadows were so pigmented. I had such a great time using them. They blended out so flawlessly. I don't really have anything bad to say about this palette whatsoever. Next I went in with the Naked Cosmetics Loose Eyeshadow, and I mixed it with a little bit of e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray to create kind of like a glitter liquid liner or liquid shadow. And I just used it to kind of line the two areas between the green and that yellowy shade. Now we're going to go in with Grape Soda from Suva Beauty. This is a Hydraliner. It's also UV activated, so if you get a black light, it will change colors. I have a video coming soon for you guys on that. Alright. Now, after putting on our liner, we're going to jump in and throw on some lashes, and that is all for the look, guys. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. Thanks for joining me on my 21st birthday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. I think I freaking killed this look. I felt so inspired when I made this look, so I hope you guys love it. And if you recreate it, make sure you tag me in some of it. I would love to see you guys recreating my looks. So I'll catch you guys next Wednesday when I post another video. And until then, peace out, babes.